We all want to get where we're going safely, with fewer delays and less worry. Now there are some new signs on the road that will help us do just that by giving drivers real-time information about traffic conditions. It's called ODOT Real Time, and it's being phased in on highways around Portland. Here's what to look for. First, we've added travel time to many of the digital signs in the Portland area. In addition to crash messages or road conditions, these signs will now tell you how long it will take to reach various points up ahead. This up-to-the-second information can help you plan your arrival time or even take an alternate route. Another kind of real-time sign will display advisory speeds. You'll see these along the I-5, I-405 southbound interchange. Let's say you're driving south on I-5. Traffic ahead is backed up, but because the roadway curves, you can't always see it until it's too late. That can lead to rear-end crashes, injury, and greater congestion. The advisory speed signs will help prevent that by giving you a heads up to slow down before you reach the problem. When traffic is heavy, they'll advise slower speeds. When it starts to ease up, they'll show higher advisory speeds. And when traffic is moving smoothly, the signs will be off. You'll also see new signs along Highway 217. These signs will display travel times, advisory speeds, and other information. All in all, the new signs will help manage the area's traffic and give motorists the ability to make travel decisions in real time. By changing as traffic conditions change, they'll help everyone get where they're going safely and efficiently. So look for ODOT Real-Time signs on highways around Portland. ODOT Real-Time. Know as you go.